So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add an interactive bar chart to a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I'm going to do is go to the top here to where it says chart and press on that. Make sure that interactive is selected. So for example, if you have 2D selected or 3D, go ahead and press an interactive. And right below that, this is the chart you're looking for, an interactive bar chart. So go ahead and press on that. What you guys can do to verify that you did select the correct chart is to press on the chart right here, go to the right hand side of your screen, scroll down to the bottom to where it says chart type. And if interactive bar chart does have a check beside it, it means you of course have the right one. So what this basically means is if you want to slide to different months or different times or whatever, the chart will adjust accordingly if that's what your data represents. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to add an interactive bar chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.